don't call me, but I'll call you when we're ready. We're running into some problems with the new house. And then I'll move until March. And so that's a long time in my world.
Yeah.
Because it's only December.
Mm-hmm.
And so my question was, do I call back? When she basically said, yes, you're the mover, and hey, we'll get back with you, and I promise I'll call you in when we make a decision.
Yep.
So I went forward, but I went 2 steps back.
Mm-hmm.
What would Matt Easton do?
I would call her, but here's what I would do. I would add value in that call. I would say, I received your message, totally understand on the things being slowed up on the other side of the house with the move there and a possible delay into March. I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I'm dealing with this with several other clients. If you ever want to bounce ideas off of somebody, you need a second opinion on something, even if it's totally unrelated to the logistics of the move, this is my world. I live and breathe this stuff. I've been doing it for 2 decades, and this is not the first time that I've had clients that have to deal with situations. So even if it's you need a sympathetic ear or you just are having trouble with a realtor or something's going on, I'm a resource for you. Wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Now you've done that and you've put that out there. Right now you can also, in that same message, because she's probably not going to answer her phone. If she does, you just say that when she answers the phone, right? You can now also set a next step that you're in control of, because don't call us, we'll call you is not a next step that you're in control of. And then you can just go, hey, and along those same lines, I know it looks like we're delayed until March. I've seen these things change in a moment's notice. I'm gonna make a note to give you a buzz the 15th of next month if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. So now what have I done? I've raised my hand, let them know I'm out here. I'm keeping myself in the deal. Make good on that promise. By the way, Ian, you don't sell yourself short, okay? Even if they're complaining about markets, about real estate agents, about mortgage brokers, things that you're not involved with, you live and breathe this world because you have your black belt in moving households, right? So you're a good friend to have. Let them know that. By the way, you have friends in all of those industries on this call. So if they call and they're like, man, I had a question on the mortgage, perfect. I've got a team of people. Talk to Rich at Valley, right? He does thousands of mortgages. So I would call, raise my hand, let them know I'm a resource for you. I live and breathe this stuff. This is my life. I'm a bit embarrassed, but I'm happy to help you guys, whatever you need, even if it has nothing to do with the logistics of the move. I have many clients that are in the exact same position you're in, have navigated the position that you're in. I just wanted to let you know I am here for you, even if it's just to have a sympathetic ear, get a second opinion, or bounce an idea off of somebody. Along those same lines, having had hundreds of clients in this same position, one thing I do know, things can change overnight. That being said, I'll make a note. What is it? Today's the 24th. I'll give you a call roughly about 20 days from now on the 14th of next month if I haven't heard from you before then. Again, whatever you need, I'm here for you 100%. My mobile, 720-660-3202. Then put a note in the calendar to reach out to them on the 14th of next month and go prospect until then. Put it out of your mind.
Thank you, Matt.
Yeah.
Excellent.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.